welcome. I already have a video on my timeline, and the object of focus is the ball. Click on the video, then go to the AI Tools menu and scroll down to find motion tracking. Now check the motion tracking option, then go to the screen and position the tracking box around the object, which is the ball. Further, start the motion tracking as shown afterward preview. So ensure the object has been tracked as shown. Further, go up to Sticker, then search and drag down any Fire VFX sticker of your choice, then extend to match the video below. Click then go to the screen to adjust the sticker around the box tracker as shown. Now go back to click the video, then go up to Motion Tracking. Under Link Element, select the Fire VFX, which is the first one. Finally, return to the screen to adjust the Fire element on the tracking box, then preview the result. Thanks for watching, you are awesome, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.